I am Madeline A. Malot, a Bachelor of Elementary Education with over 20 years in teaching experience. Throughout my career, I have worked with diverse learners and have the strong skills in lesson planning, classroom management, and creating engaging, student-centered learning experience. I am eager to join this program because it aligns with my commitment to continuous my professional growth and excellence in teaching. This program will allows me to enhance my instructional strategies and deepen understanding of the educational practices and further strengthen my ability to support students' development. And I am confident my knowledge and skills I gain will enable to contribute this program while continuing having a positive impact in the classroom.